Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Bath is a small historic village on the north shore of Lake Ontario in Loyalist Township in Lennox and Addington County. It is about 30 kilometers west of Kingston and has a population of roughly 1,800 people within the built-up community. Bath is much smaller than nearby Kingston, but its location on the lake and its long history give it an important place in the story of Eastern Ontario. Bath is one of the oldest communities in Ontario. Settlement began in 1784 when discharged soldiers from Jessup's Rangers, a Loyalist military unit, received land grants in the area following the American Revolution. The sheltered harbor made the location useful for transportation and trade, and an early road connected the settlement with Kingston. The community was originally known as Ernestown. By 1811 it had a tavern, a church, and an academy, and the village was developing into an important local center. In 1816, a shipyard in Bath launched the Frontenac, considered the first steamboat built in Upper Canada. 2 years later, the settlement was officially renamed Bath. The village was incorporated in 1859. During the 19th century, Bath became a center for shipping, shipbuilding, farming, and local commerce. Its position on Lake Ontario allowed goods to move by water, while the surrounding agricultural area provided another source of economic activity. By the middle of the 19th century, Bath had become a prosperous commercial and industrial community. Many of the buildings from that period are still part of the village today. One of Bath's most important historic buildings is the Fairfield Goodside House. It was built in 1796 by William Fairfield and his brother Benjamin, members of a prominent Loyalist family. The house later passed through several owners before returning to the Fairfield family in the 20th century. Today, it is one of Bath's best-known heritage properties and offers a look at how an established Loyalist family lived more than 2 centuries ago. Another important landmark is the Bath Museum and Visitor Center, housed in the Old Town Hall. The building was completed in 1861 and originally served as both a town hall and courthouse. It later had several different community uses before becoming the museum. Its exhibits cover Bath's history from the period before European settlement through the Loyalist era and the 2 world wars. Today, Bath's economy is influenced by its position within the larger Kingston area and Loyalist Township. Residents work in a range of occupations, and some residents commute to Kingston or other nearby communities for work. Housing in Bath is generally more expensive than the size of the community might suggest, partly because of its location, historic character, and proximity to Kingston and Lake Ontario. In February 2026, 4 homes sold in Bath at an average price of about $524,000. With such a small number of sales, monthly figures can move around quite a bit, so this is best viewed as a rough indication rather than a fixed average. What makes Bath interesting is the amount of history concentrated in such a small place. The community grew from Loyalist settlement after the American Revolution, became a center for shipping and shipbuilding, and developed into a village with a collection of well-preserved historic buildings. Today, Bath combines that heritage with modern homes, local businesses, and a growing connection to the Kingston area, while remaining one of Eastern Ontario's distinctive lakeside communities.
Thanks for watching!